Hello everyone, we are Group D3 and our topic is brand endorsement is must or not. Hello, my name is Shipali Rani. I think brand endorsement is must because it spread the awareness among the customers or the target customer, we can say that. And many people are influenced by those celebrities or sportsmen, so they want to be like that and want to use product like they are using.
Uh,
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Faiz Rizvi. According to me, there must be no brand endorsement act as this shows a lack of confidence from the company side in their product. And according to me, by endorsing a celebrity for any product, this incurs a high expenses for them, and in somehow for their product, their customers may be attracted to that celebrity or not. It is the pros or cons conditions for them, and the quality of the product that company is advertising, the quality must be good rather than focusing on celebrity. They must be focusing on the providing the quality content.
I will agree with you, Faiz, on this topic, as I do believe brand endorsement is not a must, as we have seen in a lot of cases earlier also that the endorsement has been the main reason why the product or the service failed. Be it the case of huge celebrities who endorsed a brand and then got into a legal issue or in any kind of an issue, it harms the entire product itself. As if I remember, there was this case of OJ Simpson who was endorsing a brand and then he was charged with double murder. So that became a huge issue for the company, and in the end, the company had to shut down to an extent. So I think brand endorsement can backfire a lot for any brand.
And then, aspect of that, in the case of brand endorsement of cosmetic products, basically the company focus on the people who have good height and the fair complex. So this may hurt the consumers who are not fair. This is also a point that the brand endorsement should not be done.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Singh. I think that brand endorsements are necessary because it they create a positive impact in the minds of the consumers. So I think that it is necessary part. It depends on the people how they perceive a brand endorsement or any advertisement campaign. So it should not be mixed with how an endorsement can be presented, or I think that it should be it should not be a negative side. Fast, so I don't agree with your point.
Shivam, do you don't think that endorsing a celebrity is an extra expense for the company? Despite of
Uh,
doing that, they must promote their product through others various advertisement techniques.
And not just
Fast,
that,
I think
even there's a big issue that you're saying, Shivam, ki it's the perception of the people. Our main
yes,
concern are the people. We are not concerned
Yes.
mainly with the celebrity nor with the endorsement. The main thing is reaching the customer his problem and solving his issues. So main is the customer. Customer is king after all.
I think
yes,
endorsements have been proven to be an effective marketing tactic, and if endorsement is done rightly and smartly, then I think it works.
uh, yes, Yanina, it works. Uh, the thing is that do you agree with brand endorsements or not? What do you say? Do you agree that brand endorsements are a necessary thing for the companies to do? What do you say?
I agree to the topic that brand endorsement is must, as because from a study of from Harvard Business School, it was found out that endorsement increases sales by every 4% in every brand, and
Uh, a recent study which was done last year with I guess Ranbir Kapoor and Amir Khan. They were both endorsing
Yeah.
different vehicles, and both the companies secured a loss of around 10 to 20%. So not always is it a benefit for the company. It can harm a lot. As even in the case with I guess Bipasha Basu or someone who was endorsing a healing cream, so the people were not even able to connect with her.
yeah, that's what I
And
said.
now,
It should be done smartly and not just for the sake of brand endorsement.
yeah,
Yes.
exactly. it should be done like smartly. Like if we take the example of Amitabh Bachchan, if we endorse the some of the product, then it has the huge impact in the mind of the customer, as he has the a person who many person believes on him. So the right person is the must thing. And if we take the example of one celebrity, if I remember, like one old celebrity, due to his endorsement, the fan, that company loses his market share. So it is very important to choose the celebrity very wisely.
But then there's also an issue with the same thing. If I'm taking a big celebrity and I'm going that I'll be secured that he will get me the product. So somehow it also shows that I myself am not confident with the product. Somehow I need the celebrity to get the sales.
The thing is that
And
these celebrities have a huge fan following. That is why the brands use them as their, and I think that they use them for their brand endorsement or for their advertising campaign or marketing campaign. That is the reason why people brand use different sports
Uh,
persons, celebrities for their
Shivam,
advertising
can you tell me
campaign.
who is the brand ambassador of Apple?
Sorry, no one is
That is
brand
also a
ambassador
point.
of Apple,
That
but
is also a point that there is no brand ambassador.
yes, yes, yes,
It's still selling
I agree
stuff.
with your point. Yes, but still there are as when you see Vedantu, for example, Vedantu, Amitabh Bachchan is advertising for Vedantu. Cadbury, he's advertising for Cadbury. So IDFC Bank, uh, we all must have seen the ad where Amitabh Bachchan advertises for IDFC First
There was
Bank.
also this one ad of Incredible India, and the ambassador for it was Amir Khan. If you remember the ad,
Yes, yes, I remember.
how
Yes, yes, yes,
incredible
yes.
India is. Then Amir went on to make certain comments on India that India is not safe
Yes, yes,
for
yes.
people. So that
Safe to
was the
live. Yes,
biggest blow. They had to remove him from the entire ad campaign itself. So it can
yes, yes.
backfire really badly.
And nowadays, people are more educated in India. They basically focus on the quality of the product rather on following the celebrity lead or anything. They want to experience the thing, then they want to try that thing or not. Not by seeing a celebrity using it, no, I will also use it. That time has been gone.
Yes, exactly. Because you see, Apple has been in the game for around 10 years. It has not had a brand ambassador. Whereas, like you said, for IDFC, next year or
Hmm.
maybe a year later, you will not remember who was the brand ambassador. But what you will remember, what was the product, what were the services. So what matters is
Yes,
at
yes,
the end
yes.
of the day is the product and its connection with the people.
And nowadays, the people are not well connected with the Bollywood celebrities because the rise of nepotism in that industry. So people are more towards hateism for that. So I don't think that companies will endorse the trending stars for their product to as for an advertisement.
And even how
That's from my
there are
side.
so many campaigns that keep happening online because of the condition of the country that people start getting a boycott for no reason. People start boycotting things for no reason. So if you are endorsing a person, say XYZ, and a certain community hates him for no reason, they will start boycotting him without any reason. And even the biggest brands have faced this issue. Without any reason, they were being boycotted just because they had a celebrity who had done an ad today or maybe an year ago.
So I think that we all have jumbled answers.
Yeah.
We all,
Yeah.
does anyone agree with the same point? Yanina, what do you say? Do you agree with Siddhanta and Faz?
I don't think I see any disadvantage in brand endorsement like them, but I support brand endorsement.
Shipali, what do you say?
I think it should be done smartly so it can benefit the company, because we all know that everything, even a coin has two sides, good or bad. Then it should be used wisely.
So I think we should conclude with this that everyone has their own perception for brand endorsement, why it should be there or it should not be there. So let's conclude on this point. Thank you, everyone.